Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Paradigm's brand new Premiere series, the 700F. These mid-sized floor-standing speakers in Paradigm's new Premiere range. They do a slightly larger one, the 800, and they do a centre speaker to match, along with a couple of other smaller speakers. And it's wonderful to see such a well thought out yet extremely affordable floor-standing speaker. So hence we're sharing it with you now. So firstly, they're in pairs, so we're going to leave that one there. We're going to concentrate on just one. For anybody that's familiar with Paradigm, you may notice on the top of the box, it's got a little bit of information saying stop, open other end. Paradigm have put all the accessories and things that you may need on the base, and they also understand when unboxing these products that you are likely to lift the box off rather than try and drag the product out. So there's a big warning on the top. It's bilingual, both in French and English, saying stop, open at the bottom. So before we do, quick look at the packaging. We've got one sticker, model and serial number information. We've got some pictorials, a couple of grab handles, and away we go. So from here, simply tip it upside down. The large boxes are taped with it's a sort of fabric packing tape, and of course with staples. And as you'll know with all of my unboxing videos, my first recommendation when anything is stapled is get rid of them before you continue. In the base of the box is an A3 sheet about how to continue with the unboxing process. There is a manual. This is bilingual again, French and English. It has a series of, in fact I'll open it. There's the manual. It has a little wee blister pack, and in it is a series of spikes. There's 4 of them along with 4 locking nuts, and 4 little nibbits, screw-in types, enabling the speakers to be utilised in an environment of tiles or hardwood floor where spikes may not be appropriate. Now, there's a piece of polystyrene. Now, at this point, you've got a choice as to what you want to do as far as unboxing the speaker. My preference is to remove the polystyrene and then carefully lift it over, mainly because it means you can get rid of the grill immediately. The grill is plastic with an acoustically transparent black cloth. It's sellotaped closed. And the bag itself is small. There we go. Okay. Now, worth noting, and please hang around for some photographs, we've got a transparent area in the middle where the tweeter won't get diffused by the grill. Okay. Now at this point be careful, because again, I did remove the polystyrene end. Actually, a little bit of prep. We're going to take the bag that's inside and fold it down, and then take the polystyrene paper that's protecting the base off as well. And then rocking it forward just carefully, the speaker will naturally fold into that side, sliding it carefully, and then hold the flaps so that they don't cause a problem, and carefully lift the speaker. Now that means that you can easily lift the box off the speaker. Obviously that's a fraction of the weight of the speaker itself, and really easy to get rid of. And the preparation I did earlier by pulling the bag away means that it's relatively straightforward to then remove the plastic bag and give us the ability to look at this product for the first time. Now, firstly, this is in the wood grain option, espresso from Paradigm. You can see a beautiful inflection. It is a vinyl wrap, but it's a really, really good quality one, and it emulates beautifully some of the timbers that are now available. Swinging it around, we get to see the speaker for the first time and have a look at some of the unique elements of it. Firstly, I'm going to rock it forward. See the shape. This tapered shape is designed to ensure standing waves off the speaker itself are vastly reduced. The tapering also helps with standing waves within the cabinet, and bracing and other things like that can be improved. The curved top helps to manage top reflection, and there's even a slight curve along the front. This was first utilised in some of Paradigm's studio and monitor range, So the front baffle that minimises direct reflection off the front surface. Okay. We've got Paradigm's now infamous tweeter. It is protected with an aluminium disbursement or cover. It not only protects the tweeter from physical damage, but helps to manage the dispersion of the high frequencies into the room. The holes are tapered, so there's tiny wing ones in the middle that get slightly larger as you head towards the edge. It's slightly recessed, and again that disbursement is managed with the front baffle as well. Beneath it is Paradigm's mid-range driver and a waveguide. This is technology that was first introduced in Paradigm's Persona, or absolute flagship kind of speakers, and it's wonderful to see this technology utilised in a much more cost-effective range of speakers. Beneath the mid-range driver are two paralleled bass drivers. This allows the frequency response of the speaker to be extended significantly without a big wide cabinet being used. As we look down, Paradigm logo, and then of course some of the feet. Looking at the side, those feet are well positioned at the extreme edges of the speaker cabinet, and once the spikes are added, will become very stable. Looking at the rear, it's relatively narrow again because of the tapered look of the speaker. The large centralised port has managed the air through the cabinet. We have Paradigm's Premier logo, a four-way binding post allowing for bi-wiring or bi-amping potentially, and then we have a sticker with an emulation of the model and serial number. Okay, so this beautiful speaker, Paradigm's Premier 700F in espresso colour, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.